Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, Asian stocks and US stock futures decline in early hours of trading after Federal Reserve officials sped up their expected pace of policy tightening. The dollar index moved to the levels of 91.50 from the levels of 90.50, so it's a sharp jump, and treasury yields held gains. So now the street is expecting, and Fed chief has already announced that they are going to increase rates by the end of 2023. So it has actually shook the market, and we saw a decline in US markets yesterday. Currently, futures are down. Singapore Nifty is also following to the same. It is down by almost 100 points as compared to its previous close. And if we go through with our markets, then yesterday our markets remain in a narrow trading range with a negative bias. And it was mainly because of that outcome which was due from the Fed's meeting. And we saw a big drag in metal companies on metal index also due to specific announcement from China on the increase of supply in commodities. So that has also actually dragged the sentiment. Today, in case the market opens lower and breaks the levels of 15,700, which is almost 50-60 points lower from current levels, then in that case the possibility of hitting 15,600, 15,550 would turn bright. However, around 15,550 levels, the market is having support of 20 days simple moving average, and most of the time whenever there is like correction or vertical correction in the market, we see some rebound from the levels of 20 days simple moving average. So if we see the market is approaching to those levels, then there, instead of creating any short position, we should look for adding long position, and the reason is because the broader trend of the market is bullish. So if the broader trend of the market is bullish, then the strategy should be to buy on major plunges or major decline. I think 15,550 is certainly going to act as very good support. We can keep stop loss at 15,400 for holding any long positions, because the previous highest level was at 15,430. Bank Nifty 34,500, 34,600 should act as major support. 34,300 should be the final stop loss for holding any long position on Bank Nifty. And yes, we may see some activity in those banks which are corporate facing, because there we are seeing consistent buying, especially ICICI Bank, Axis Bank and State Bank. So on these banks we need to focus. We are also going to focus on a few auto companies, as well as metals have already down. So after this particular specific closure of the event, we may see some stability for the better market, and based on that, if there is any reversal, then we should look for adding them. Finally, from the defensives like technology and pharma, as well as FMCG, we prefer Infosys to buy if there is any lower opening in today's date. I think 1440, 1450 is going to act as major support, because the previous highest level for the stock Infosys was at 1477, and yesterday the stock has broken that level. So today, if there is any lower opening and if stock falls to 1450 levels, then there we should look for adding long position. That's all from my side, and with this we are ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in. Have a great day to all of you.